Have you ever seen a houseplant suddenly come to life, as if nature herself whispered energy into its roots? Today, I'll show you a powerful natural mixture that makes flowers bloom faster, leaves shine brighter, and roots grow stronger, all with just one simple spoonful. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of sea salt, two humble ingredients with incredible strength. Soda balances the soil's acidity, while sea salt enriches it with trace minerals that awaken plant vitality. Now pour in 1 liter of clean water and blend everything together until completely dissolved. Next, dilute this mix in 2 more liters of water, making a total of 3 liters of nourishing solution. This gentle blend does wonders. It helps plants recover after transplanting, heals small stem wounds, prevents leaf drying, and encourages continuous flowering. It also improves the soil's ability to hold moisture, giving roots a perfect environment to thrive. To use, simply soak the roots for 3 to 5 minutes or pour the solution directly under the root once every 30 days. Watch as your home flowers respond with vibrant color and new buds, proof that nature rewards even the smallest acts of care. Until next time, may your plants bloom brighter than ever,